You guys see those cute curls? That's what I'm talking about. Hey guys, this is Yana, and today my mom gave me the opportunity to be the first video you guys have ever seen. 2018. I used As I Am Born Curly, Rosemary Vanilla Twist Defending Smoothie. Rosemary Vanilla Twist Defending Smoothie. Oh, by the way, this is an old washing go. See you tomorrow after school. And this is the final result. And my hair is pink and...
Now, you want to see it? You don't like it?
I do. So, bye guys. Push the subscribe button and hope you like this video. Push the subscribe button and watch your channels right here. I want a side. I want a space right here. Can you see it? Can't hear you, Haven. Haven's watching this. I know. Haven watched all of her videos. She did. She talked to me about them. Bye, guys. Bye, Haven. Hopefully you have a wonderful new year.